guys, what's going on here? Darius here, back with another video. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I need some help. Now, it's not no normal help like, money or anything like that. I need some help, like, supporting. And basically what I'm talking about is, I got two things I want to do as my New Year's resolution. One is make a very, very funny, some type of skit, okay? I don't know what type of skit it's gonna be. I have an idea with a couple of my buddies and I, so that's one of the things that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to come up with a new series for this channel. The second thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to raise awareness for autism. I want to bring awareness to that, and I have a plan, but I don't know how to execute it per se. For instance, I want to have like a car show, for, I don't know, Special Olympics or, autism awareness or something like that. So I'm not 100% sure how I'll start on this. That's where I need you guys' help. But the reason why I want to do this is because my brother actually has autism. So he likes cars. There's this one guy I seen, he's probably all over the internet right now. I can't think of his name right now, but here's a picture of his car. A Mustang that's Lightning McQueen that has puzzle pieces on it. Now the puzzle pieces symbolize autism. I really want to do something for them, just, I don't know, I want to give back and have some type of event for them. Maybe a car show or I don't know, something nice for them, because not that many people are aware of that. What I want to do is I want to introduce you guys to my brother. His name is Reynard. He actually has autism. I just want y'all to meet him. So, hey Ray, you can come in here. I don't think you heard me. Yep, you're not ready. My dog came in here. Alright guys, so are you in here? Mm-hmm. There you go. So this is my brother Ray.
Hey, hi, I'm Ray Lego Guy.
Yes. He also has a YouTube channel. You want to tell him the YouTube channel name?
Yeah, it's called Ray Lego Guy's Creations.
So in that channel he likes to make movies of his Lego people.
Yeah.
He putting them together and make just like videos about them, and it's kind of cool. So if you have anybody that like Legos, go ahead and share this video so they can actually watch it, because it's pretty funny. It's kind of cool also how the stuff is made too.
Yep. Hey, D Creator, you remember that two Lego Mustangs I sent you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. He's also made the Lego Mustangs. I'll also put up a picture of that on there, dude. No, it's at your house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But it's alright. We'll show 2 pictures of it. You guys send me the pictures later, okay?
Okay.
Alright. But yeah, do me a favor, subscribe to his channel. I either put the link right here, or not link, but the video or whatever it is, and then you can click down below. And also, if you don't mind, please share this video. Please help me get some information so I can do what I want to do for New Year's resolution. So just help me out here. Mm-hmm. Or help us out, because we both want to do this.
Yeah, help us out.
You like cars?
Yeah.
What's your favorite car?
Like Mazda Millennium and Mustangs too.
So he likes Mazdas.
Yeah.
And he also like Mustangs because ironically the white car was both our first cars. I just kind of took over it. Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Like
what you want to do for 2020?
I like going on vacation, going out of town.
So you want to go out of town?
Yeah.
Where you want to go?
To Hawaii.
You want to go to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Y'all been to Hawaii? I never been to Hawaii.
Me neither.
So
Never been.
that's his New Year's resolution. He gonna go to a place that he never been before.
Yeah.
Hawaii. So it's kind of cool. When you gonna try to go?
I think about like July or June.
July or June?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. That's interesting. So comment down below what's your New Year's resolution, and also comment down below if you have any connections to the Special Olympics or the autism awareness, or whatever. And also subscribe to his channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But that's about it. So
That's about it.
we see you guys in the next video. You want to close it out for me?
Sure.
No, you gotta smack the camera. Okay, smack the camera. Okay.